Hi guys, Laz here, and as you can see right now, it says your free trial has expired. So we've actually let those days go by and our trial period has expired. So now it is asking us to pick a plan. So we definitely have to pick a plan here. And basically, as I was saying earlier, you can choose any of these plans. It all depends on the rates, how much you're selling. If you're selling more, it's more likely for you to go with a plan that has a lower percentage that Shopify takes away in fees. But if you're just starting out, the basic Shopify plan is fine. It's $29 a month, and that's pretty good to start off with, guys. So it's basic Shopify. We're going to choose this plan actually. And now it's going to go here. Now, my billing information up here is going to be blurred out so you can't see it. And it's going to ask me about my billing cycle. So pretty much, how do I want to be billed? Do I want to be billed once a year for this much? It tells me how much I save. Do I want to be billed every 2 years, etc., etc.? So for right now, I'm just going to put bill me once a month for $29. Click confirm changes. And here we are, guys. So now we have paid for the Shopify plan. So now we're no longer in the trial period. So now we're going to go ahead and publish our theme and remove our password so that we can see how our store looks. So we're actually going to go down here. We're going to click actions. We're going to click publish. Publish that theme. We're going to quickly go in here and make sure everything looks okay. Now, as you see, we don't really have products in here yet. We're going to select the collection just to make this look a little bit more. Put dog collars on the first one. Select there. Go back. On the second collection, we will select dog toys. Now, as you add products to this, guys, it will become more and more populated. We're just going to add these two for as an example. And we're going to go down here. We're going to click collection row. We're going to remove this section because there's nothing there, and we will also remove this section. So right now, this is what our store looks like. As you can see here, it is on mobile. We don't have very many products, but that is okay. As you can see, it says that we are live with this theme. Go back onto Shopify online store, and we actually want to click preferences. So right now our store is password protected, meaning that if I go on my store now, it's going to ask me for a password. See, enter using password, and that's not what we want, guys. We want to be able so that when our customers get here, they can actually access our store. So what we want to do is we want to go back here and disable this option. We're going to click save. Okay, so now that is disabled, and we're going to go back here, and we're just going to go to our page again. And here we are, guys. happypawsoutlet.com. Everything is good to go. As you can see, here's our page. Here is our product. And yeah, we've basically published our theme. So that's about it for this video, guys. In the next coming sections, Richard is going to be teaching those. He's actually going to be going over some really cool stuff in advanced product research methods. He's going to be talking about order fulfillment and how you integrate that with Shopify to make it super easy for you to order products. And basically, guys, he's just going to cover the remaining parts of this Shopify section. So it was a pleasure to teach you guys, and I hope you guys learned a lot. I hope to hear back from you guys in the future and hear what results you guys are getting and all that good stuff. So, thank you guys for your time and see you in the future.